you got to own it. And that's all there is to it. And real quick, my first assignment there in East Texas, my dad was visiting, and he saw me. I was working 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to turn this business around, and I was everything. I was the funeral director, I was the embalmer, I was the guy digging the graves, I was running lawnmowers. We were doing it all, right? Um, and my dad said, Matt, your name's not on the building. You got to find a balance. And I said, Dad, my name may not be on the building, but my reputation's in the building.
Mhm. Yeah.
And this is what I do. I own this.
Yeah.
And so to your point, that's how I feel about everything I do. I mean, my name may not be on the building, but my name's certainly outside my door. And when people come in my office, I want them to know that they're going to get somebody that believes in what he's doing and is going to give everything he has to it.